Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So Monday, Monday, April the 6th, we have a Edge update. And so Microsoft Edge was updated today, and it is a bug fixing update. So bugs and performance issues is what they say here for the April 6th update for stable on Edge for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So version is 146.0.3856.109. And of course, nothing fantastic. If you had issues, if you had problems, you can update it. Maybe it will fix the problem you had. If you have no issues, you can just leave it like that. It will update by itself anyways if you use Microsoft Edge. And very unusual on a Monday, and a Monday which is just, Easter Monday, basically. So this is kind of weird. But it is what it is. So bug fixes, and if you have problems, maybe this will fix whatever problem you had. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.